everyone! Today we're going to learn how to crochet this super quick and easy flower. They're beautiful on their own or in other projects. All you need to start your flower is medium weight acrylic yarn, a 3mm crochet hook and scissors. And we're ready to begin. Okay, let's start our flower. I start crocheting the rows with a magic ring. First, I make my magic ring. In this way, I bring my hook under the yarn, grab the other strand, and pull up a loop. My magic ring is ready. I chain 10. My 10 chains are ready. I skip 2 chains. I insert my hook into the third chain. I yarn over and pull through. I crochet 1 double crochet into this stitch. I yarn over, insert my hook into the next chain, and crochet a double crochet. In this way, we continue crocheting double crochets into every chain until the end of the row. I have reached the end of the row. I crochet 1 single crochet into the magic ring. I chain 1 and turn my work. I will continue the return row using reverse single crochet stitches. I insert my hook into the top of the first double crochet. I yarn over and pull through. I have completed my first reverse single crochet. I will crochet 1 reverse single crochet into the top of each double crochet. Here are the first 2 chains that I skipped. I insert my hook into the first one of them and crochet my last reverse single crochet. My row is finished. To turn my work, I chain 2. I yarn over the hook. Here, I will crochet around the post of the reverse single crochet like this. I yarn over. I crochet my double crochet. I wrap my hook around the post of the next reverse single crochet. I complete my double crochet. I insert my hook around the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and complete my double crochet. We continue in the same way until the end of the row. I have reached the end of my row. I have finished my double crochets. Again, I secure the end by crocheting one single crochet into the magic ring. I chain one. Again, I will crochet a row of reverse single crochet in the opposite direction. I crochet one reverse single crochet into the top of each double crochet. My row is finished. I chain two. Again, in the same way, I will crochet double crochets around the posts of my reverse single crochet stitches. When I reach the end of the row, I crochet one single crochet here. Continue repeating these reverse single crochet rows until you have a total of 9 rows. I have completed them, and now I have 9 reverse single crochet rows. After completing the 9 reverse single crochet rows, I will now join the sides together. First, I tighten my magic ring a little. I remove my hook from the loop. I insert my hook into the first stitch on the opposite side, pull the loop through, and chain one. Then I will join these two sides together with reverse single crochet stitches. I insert my hook into this side, then into the matching stitch on the opposite side, yarn over, pull through, and crochet a reverse single crochet. I insert my hook into the next stitch and then into the matching stitch on the opposite side. I yarn over and pull through. Again, I crochet a reverse single crochet. I continue joining both sides together with reverse single crochet until the end of the row. I have finished joining the sides. I chain one. I insert my hook right next to it. Crochet one single crochet and then crochet 5 double crochets into the same space. I insert my hook into the same space. I have finished my 5 double crochets and I crochet one single crochet into the base of the same space. In the next space, I crochet one single crochet, 5 double crochets, and one single crochet. Continue this same pattern all the way to the end of the row. Into every visible space, crochet one single crochet, 5 double crochets, and one single crochet. When I reach the end of the row, I chain one and cut the yarn. I secure the remaining yarn end on the inside of my rows. and cut it. I shape it neatly with my hands, set it aside, and move on to crocheting the leaf. To crochet the leaf, I make a magic ring. Chain 1 and crochet 10 double crochets into the magic ring. My double crochets are ready and I tighten the ring. I join by inserting my hook into the top of the first double crochet. I chain 6, skip 1 chain and crochet 1 single crochet into the next chain. Into the next chain, I crochet 1 half double crochet and another half double crochet. Into the last 2 chains, I crochet 1 double crochet into each chain. I skip 1 chain and make a slip stitch into the next chain. I chain 6 again. Skip 1 chain, then crochet 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, another half double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 more double crochet. I skip 1 chain and make a slip stitch into the next chain. Continue crocheting the leaves in the same way until the end of the row. I have finished my leaves and cut the yarn. On the back side, I tie the 2 remaining yarn ends together. I trim the remaining yarn ends. Our leaf is now ready. Now we need to crochet the flower bud for the center of our rows. For this, I make a loop with my yarn. I chain 4. I insert my hook into the first chain and make a slip stitch. I chain 4 again. I insert my hook in the same way and make a slip stitch. We continue crocheting in this way. In total, we will have 8 small buds like this. Now our flower bud piece is ready. I take a stick like this. First, I apply glue to the piece we just crocheted. Then I wrap it around the stick like this. After securing it, I cut the remaining short yarn ends. I take my rose, I insert it into the center of my rose like this. I take the leaf, I place the leaf onto the rose in the same way. Then I apply glue to these parts of the rose and to the leaf. And I secure it. Finally, I wrap green yarn around the stick to complete my rose. My rose is now ready. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me. I'll see you in the next one.